Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's begin our class with Al-Fatiha. Okay, today we're going to look at chapter 1, topic number 1 in environmental economics, which is introduction and also overview on environmental economics. Right, so we're going first to look at the definition, and then we look at the scope, the subject matter, and also the environmental economics itself. Okay, so apa itu environmental economics? It's a field of economic study that deals with the impact of economic activities on the natural environment. Yeah, so we know that economic activities constitutes the construction, manufacturing activities, and then industrial activities. Yeah, so these kind of activities will of course give the impact on environment. Yeah, so these kind of activities is actually a must in a country in order to prosper. So kalau country itu nak menghadapi pembangunan dan ataupun progression in the economics, dia perlu ada aktiviti-aktiviti seperti ini. Yeah. So these kind of activities, economic activities, will give impact to the environment. Yeah. So inilah actually yang kita panggil sebagai environmental economics. Yeah. Okay. So it is concerned with the existence of externalities or residuals. Yeah. For example, pollution. Jadi apa yang terjadi dengan this kind of activities, economic activities akan menyebabkan terjadinya externalities. Externality ni macam apa? Residuals. Maknanya lebihan daripada aktiviti itu adalah sama ada dia memberikan positive impact kepada environment ataupun negative impact kepada environment. So itu kita panggil sebagai externalities ataupun residuals. Okay, so if it is negative impact or kita panggil sebagai negative externalities, it is known as pollution out of the economic activities. Yeah. So what happen when there is pollution? It will damage our ecosystem and our life. And this is what we call as the negative impact on environment from the economic activities. Yeah. Okay. Related to environmental economics is known as natural resource economics. Yeah. So it is a branch of economic study that deals with the use of natural resources for economic activities. Yeah. So it focuses on how natural resources such as wildlife, mineral deposits are valued, managed and are used in the economy and in making economic decisions. Maksudnya dekat sini, kita ada beberapa natural resources lah, natural resources yang kita boleh dapat daripada economic activities. So jadi macam mana a country might use the resources untuk menghasilkan sesuatu yang lebih baik. Ya, maksudnya kita jangan just buang resources itu. Ya, yang kita tidak guna, maksudnya lebihan yang kita tak gunakan itu kita jangan buang sahaja. Ya, kita perlu menggunakan resources itu untuk kebaikan supaya tidak jadi pencemaran. Ya. Okay. So we look at the scope of economics lah, environmental economics. Environmental economics ni kita boleh study in positive and also normative. Maksudnya kita ada positive economics and also normative economics. So what is positive economics? So positive economics is the analysis of economic based on facts and objective data analysis, or it is facts that can be verified. Maknanya benda tu adalah positive economics whenever benda tu ada fakta dan ada data yang kita tak boleh deny. So it relies on the scientific theories lah, statistic, data, facts, theories, and so on. Yeah. And the application of the welfare of the economics. Yeah. So what is the statement of positive economics? Yeah, environmental economics. Yeah, so the positive statement is what is. Yeah, what is. So kalau kita encounter with that kind of statement, so kita tahu it is positive environmental economics. Yeah. So this positive statement can be argued, can be argued objectively by using facts. So kalau kita ada fakta, kita boleh argue lah this statement, positive statement. For example, it is a fact that the temperature of the earth is rising, leading to the problem of global warming. So kita boleh deny tak benda tu? Tak boleh, sebab ada fakta, sebab dah ada research yang take ataupun done by the other researchers, by the kita panggil prominent researchers, that yes, the temperature of the earth is actually rising due to the industrial activities in the whole world that actually lead to the global warming. So kita boleh deny? Tak boleh deny sebab kita dah ada fakta, kita dah ada research. Okay. And then we look at the normative economics. So what is normative economics? It analyzes economic that is subjective in nature and may involve opinions and value judgment. Dia something yang bukannya ada fakta yang jelas, dia tidak ada data yang jelas, yang hanya menggunakan value judgments ataupun opinion. Kita menggunakan pendapat kita. Apa yang kita rasa bila ada economic activity ini, apa yang kita punya opinion yang boleh mengaitkan economics ini dengan environment. So itu adalah normative statement, ataupun normative environmental economics. And the statement of normative economics is what should be. Apa sepatutnya berlaku. Apa sepatutnya terjadi. Okay, so selecting the proper policies to address environmental problems is a normative analysis. Sebab we know, and maybe, okay, if people do not aware, actually Malaysia pun memang dah lama ada akta-akta ataupun policy on environmental policy inilah, sebab kita tak nak berlaku pollution, pencemaran itu semakin berleluasa. Okay, sama juga macam negara luar, macam US especially, dia ada banyak policy. So this is based on normative thinking ataupun normative analysis of normative economics. So it's based on what? It based on the value judgment and also opinions. Tapi maksudnya boleh buat research jugalah, menggunakan research, boleh menggunakan data, boleh menggunakan fakta, kita campur dengan opinion kita, untuk menjadikan satu normative economics. Contohnya, people may disagree on what is the best way to tackle the global warming issue. Jadi, masalah global warming ni, how we going to tackle? So, what would be the necessary policy? What would be the act? Do we need to revise the act, the policy? Do we need to add on any policy, or do we need to reduce ataupun kita nak relax the policy, macam mana? So itu semua adalah based on opinion. And usually policy makers and researchers will give the opinion. Okay. Berbalik kepada economics tadi, actually kalau kita sebut tentang economics, kita boleh juga scope of economics tu ada dua lah. Dia economy ni dia very wide, tapi dia ada dua scope. Kita boleh differentiate microeconomics dengan macroeconomics, and I'm sure you actually had learned this one before, kan? Jadi apa itu microeconomic? Microeconomic ni study economic individual units, ataupun kita kata dia tengok dalam perspektif yang very detail and specific. Kalau kita nak kaitkan microeconomics ini dengan environmental, microeconomics, environmental microeconomics, so dia adalah, contohnya kita boleh kata problem of chemical industrial pollution in Pasir Gudang, Johor. Ingat? So itu adalah satu isu micro. yang mana menyebabkan apa? Negative impact to the society. Ya, so itu adalah micro. Ya, so apa yang terjadi ketika itu? It affects school children. Ya, nearby area, and this kind of problems that will need to be addressed in micro level, level yang terperinci, micro level lah, yang sangat terperinci, ya, individual unit. Okay, so we need to have stricter regulation, and then we need to have macam mana kita nak address the problem. So government need to think about that. Maybe they can use macam saya kata tadi lah, stricter policy, dan dia perlu kenakan denda ataupun saman dengan satu jumlah yang tinggi lah, ya, supaya people will be aware that if they are industrial ataupun manufacturing sectors, then they need to take care of the environment and they have to take this seriously, ya. Okay, so what about macroeconomics? Kalau macroeconomics ni kita tengok economy as a whole. Dia tengok in a biggest perspective. Bigger scope. Alright? So kalau kita nak deal dengan isu environmental macroeconomics ni, contohnya dekat sini, issue of global lah, global issue. Contohnya macam global warming due to the unpredictable weather and rising temperature. Okay, macam apa, kutub utara yang ais dah mencair kan sekarang ni. Kenapa cair? Kenapa berlakunya banjir yang melampau, berlaku tsunami and so on. Itu semua disebabkan oleh human activities, economic activities yang melampaui batas, yang telah menyebabkan global warming, yang telah menyebabkan berlakunya pemanasan global yang teruk lah. So it harms environment. So ini adalah global issue. Bila kita touch global issue, that is macroeconomics. Okay. So next kita akan tengok subject matter.